How to fix screen dimming in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off adaptive brightness. Now open settings, scroll down, click on display. Here you will see adaptive brightness, and if you want to turn off adaptive brightness, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, adaptive brightness turn off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Again open settings, again click on display, click on light, click on dark mode settings. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off dark mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset accessibility settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset accessibility settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, accessibility setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix screen dimming in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.